Hi guys, this is Glorm Gang here. So this is the Whirlpool window/room air conditioner that's installed in the garage. Sorry, it's a little bit messy in here. So as you know above my last take, you've heard the Rheem air conditioner outside from the neighbor's house started up along with the fridge with the compressor. So I'm going to start this unit up right here. This is the Whirlpool room air conditioner. It's off right now so I can get a start up. So over here is the buttons where you can adjust the settings on it. Yeah, so this is the plug that goes all the way to this here. So there's the logo, it's Whirlpool. Up here is the vent. And over here is where you mainly hear the compressor. Right over here. So I've told you that the Rheem air conditioner along with the fridge started up. So before we start this thing up, I'm going to explain the other HVAC videos that I've done. So I did the Pane air conditioner back in April, both the air handler and the outdoor unit. I did the air handler in May. In July I did the Pane air handler running on cool mode, and I did show you the ambient noise that'll help you fall asleep with the same air handler. In August, I did the Carrier air handler startup and shutdown in the hotel room that we're staying in. And I did the HVAC heaven of 19 Bryant's running. Also, I also did the startup and shutdown of the original air handler that we had before we got the Rheem air handler. And also in August, I did the last startup and shutdown of the Pane air conditioner before the house is sold. Apparently someone is living in there now. Also, I did the startup and shutdown of the Rheem air handler back in September. Now we're going to start up this unit right here. This is the window air conditioner. I have not done a startup and shutdown of the window unit before. So, yeah. So let me show you the buttons. So this is the button. Oh. I didn't say we can start up yet. So I was wrong about the buttons the last time. This button turns the AC on, and this button over here turns the AC off. So I'm going to place the phone over here. So we're going to start it up, and then we'll do shutdown. So here we go. So this is what the unit sounds like when it started up. It's on 79 degrees. And you also heard the compressor, which is good. So let me explain this real quick so I can give this more time to run. Anyways, you've heard the Rheem air handler start up and shut down. I'm going to do the Goodman package unit start up and shut down. I'm not sure when I'm going to do that, so I did the Pane air conditioner back in April. I did the air handler in May. I did the original air handler start up and shut down. I did the air handler, the Pane air handler back in July when it's running, and I did the white noise sound of it. In August, I did the Carrier air handler, and I did the HVAC heaven of the Bryant's running. And I did the last startup and shutdown of the Pane air conditioner, as well as the Rheem air handler startup and shutdown. And now I'm doing this unit. So it's time for me to shut this off. Sorry. I have to turn it off because the people are still sleeping, and I don't want can make them mad. So yeah, I'm going to turn that off. Anyways, time to shut down. It starts this thing up again without the compressor. Sorry guys, it's hard for me to turn it off. Every time I press the test button, it just keeps turning on. Anyways, time for me to turn it off. So, time to shut down. Whew, that was close. Anyways, that's the quick startup and shutdown of the Whirlpool air conditioner. Sorry, I just don't know whether the buttons are for start and shutdown, but I already know this one. Anyways, thanks for watching. Glow Arm Gang, out.